Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install new lock screen on your any Galaxy device, and this is absolutely free. Guys, first download this app on your Galaxy device. This app download link available on description. And guys, this video for all Galaxy users, no matter M series, S series or F series. This lock screen work on any Galaxy device. Okay, after download, simply tap and open this app. After open, simply tap on Let's Started. First, set permission. After open, also set permissions. And guys, look at these many beautiful lock screens, animated lock screens on this app. With different clocks. And guys, let me show you every customization options of this lock screen. Okay, first let me show you setting. Look at this. Make sure lock screen is enabled, and also if you want to set charging animation, then make sure charging screen enable on this app. Now scroll. Look at this, every customization option. Simply turn on display status bar and turn on vibrate, and also enable auto start, and you also enable wake screen on lock screen. Now go back. Now guys, first look at this preview. You also set widgets. Simply tap on plus button and look at these many beautiful widgets on this lock screen. Simply tap and set widget, and you can see customization options also in every widget. Scroll. You also set colors of widgets, visibility, corner areas, every customization options available on this app. Now simply go back and look at this widget set on my lock screen. You also set widget on downside. Now let me show you clock customization. Simply tap on customize background and simply scroll. Look at this. Simply tap and you customize your clock like this. In every position. Tap on finish. Now scroll. You also set clock size, thickness. Trust me guys, every customization options available on this app. Style, font, many beautiful fonts available. Date format, border width, border style. You also customize stamp spacing like this. Look at this border shape. Set clock color, visibility, border color, every option on this app. Now simply go back. Now let me show you new lock screen enable on my Galaxy device. Look at this, guys. And remember everyone, you don't need to disable your system lock screen for this app. Look at this, my fingerprint also available on my lock screen and pin also available on my lock screen for privacy. Okay, let me show you more customized background. Simply tap on plus button and look at this image and video. Guys, unfortunately, you can't set custom wallpaper or video from gallery, but many beautiful image and videos available with many categories on this app. Look at this in video section, all categories. If I select any one category, look at this, simply tap and select. And for enable, simply go to video section, tap on plus button, tap on use save one and simply select this video, tap on yes, reuse it, and look at this, new background apply on my lock screen. Okay, guys, let me show you charging animations. Okay, guys, now look at this middle option. You set every type of widgets position, clock position with this middle option. Look at this. Widget position change with these options. Now go to charging option and make sure your charging screen is enabled. Guys, simply disable these widgets from charging, and many beautiful charging animation also available on this app. Simply select, or if you want to more animations, simply tap on plus button and download image or video. Now let me show you, simply select this animation and my charging animation also apply on lock screen. Look at this, if I connect my device on lock screen, on charging, look at this charging animation, new charging animation also enabled on my Galaxy device. So guys, you also install this new lock screen on your any Galaxy device. No matter M series, F series or S series, this lock screen work on any Galaxy device. And remember everyone, you don't need to disable your system lock screen for this app. You also use your fingerprint unlock or pin unlock or your system pattern lock with this lock screen. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye bye.